Happy Friday, everybody. I am so excited. Honestly, can you see the joy in my face? I have just wrapped up filming for my the second module of this new online program that I'm building to help all of you to grow in influence and authority. It's been a lot of fun. I've taken videos like all over my favorite places around here, lakes, creeks, beaches, hikes, and right behind me is some old barns at they're historic barns at this place that I often come to called Fort Steilacoom. And I just want to say it was pretty funny because as I was filming, I did a couple of takes, and every time I did the video, an ice cream truck came driving by, and I was like, should I acknowledge the ice cream truck or not? So now when I go to look at the videos, I'm gonna say, should I have that be part of it or should I not? And I'm gonna guess that most of you are gonna say, let the ice cream truck drive by in your video. Happy weekend, all.